Session 6 is entitled Career Preparation, and it's designed to get you started thinking about your future career or the advancement in your current career. The first assignment in Session 6 is a journal activity. By now, you should be used to these journal activities. The journal is going to ask you to look at the difference between high school and college. No matter if you're still in high school or you've been out of high school for many, many years, I'm assuming by now you're realizing that high school and college are in fact very different. So that's what we're going to look at in this journal. There are 3 resources listed here at the top, and you're going to click on and read through each of the 3. These resources talk about how college and high school are different. You're then going to, as we've practiced in the past, format the journal by copying and pasting the format into the entry box. Once you type your answers, make sure that you change your contributions in the journal to a different colored font. Make sure that your responses are thorough and you've answered enough that shows you have done the review of the items that were shared at the top. Make sure that you click the Save Changes button in order to submit. Now on to the next assignment entitled Career Research. Please be mindful that the Career Research assignment is a major assessment in the course, and it is worth 100 points and 10% of your final grade. Just like other templates, you'll be asked to make a copy. And now let's review the directions. Number 1 is going to ask you to utilize some or all of the resources listed to complete this career research assignment. As you move through the assignment, you're going to see that you are asked to take a few career assessments. And I want to draw your attention to that request and show you in the top of the assignment, right here where I'm looking, that there is a detailed explanation of each one of the resources listed, A through E. So this document right here beside additional help will tell you where the career assessments are on each one of these items. This document here beside additional help will help you navigate quickly these resources A through E. When you complete a career assessment, you'll need to take a screenshot of your results in order to paste them into the box here at the top of the first page of your contributions. Once you have completed those assessments and submitted those 2 screenshots here, you're going to answer some questions. Notice you will see in bold and purple the point value for each section of the assignment. In the Career and College Exploration section, you're going to brainstorm some careers that you might be interested in or positions in your current career trajectory that you may be interested in fitting into once you complete your education here or going on to a 4-year university. You may also be thinking about colleges or training programs or different certifications that you're going to need to explore based upon the careers that you're interested in. So this section is a brainstorming section. You're going to brainstorm some careers and or additional positions in your current career, and then you're going to brainstorm the future schooling that you're going to need. You have to be detailed in this colleges section. You can't just say college or community college. You need to name the places or the types of certifications that you do in fact need or think you may need for your future. The next section is going to ask you to identify 3 career options that you want to do a little more research in. You're going to list those 3 careers or positions across the top, and then you're going to research and report the information that you have found on them in the column underneath. So you'll see on the left the item that you should be researching about the career that you've chosen. Finally, you're going to do an in-depth reflection about the research that you have done. You're going to answer these questions thoroughly in paragraph form. This reflection section totals 30 points of the assignment. So the paragraphs that you put here should be worth 30 points. Please make sure that you put forth effort into this particular 100-point assignment because it is worth a large portion of your final grade. Now, Now let's talk about the uniqueness of submitting this assignment in Moodle. Because of the multiple screenshots that you are asked to take and paste into this assignment, Moodle is not going to accept this assignment and allow me to see it and grade it if you submit it through your Google Drive. So I'm going to ask you to download the assignment in a different way in order for Moodle to allow me to see what you have submitted. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you are in your document, you are going to click on the word File in the upper left-hand corner. You're going to then click Download, and the menu box that opens to the right, I want you to click Microsoft Word. When you do that, you're going to see a file pop up in your downloads bar in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. From there, when you are in Moodle, you can drag and drop into your submission box. If this is confusing for you or you can't quite figure out how to do this, please just send me an email and then we can Google Chat or Google Meet and I can help you get through that. Now, returning to Session 6 in Moodle, I want to bring your attention to what is at the very bottom of Session 6. This is about an assignment entitled the Advisor Meeting Assignment. And it is a 3-part assignment that asks you to do a little more work in planning each semester between now and graduation. There is a video for you to watch that explains that assignment step by step. And you will also have links to each part of the assignment here in Session 6. Be sure to reach out if you have questions or concerns about anything in Session 6 or anything regarding the Advisor Meeting Assignment.